Caught in a sudden storm, I watched as tiny ice pellets, known as hail, bounced off my car. Hail forms when updrafts in thunderstorms carry raindrops into extremely cold areas of the atmosphere, freezing them. To protect my car, I quickly pulled over under a bridge. This simple habit saved me from potential damage. The storm passed, leaving me grateful for quick thinking. Next time you're caught in a hailstorm, seek shelter immediately. It's a small step that can prevent big problems. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.